Let's first explain what cash basis of accounting is. A cash basis method is an accounting method where revenues and expenses are recorded only when cash is actually received or paid. The cash basis method is considered the simplest form of bookkeeping. In this system, revenue is recorded only when you receive the cash from a customer or client, while expenses are recorded only when you actually pay the bill. Small businesses and sole proprietors often prefer this method because it focuses on liquidity, which is the actual cash you have in the bank. There is therefore no need to track accounts receivable or accounts payable, which makes it easier to manage transaction without any form of advanced software, and often without the need of an accountant. Let's explain this cash basis method using an example. Let's say you own a bakery and you chose to use the cash basis approach for recording your transactions. If a customer orders a cake on the 2nd of February, but the customer only pays for the cake and picks it up on the 14th of February, then the revenue on a cash basis will be recorded on the 14th of February. This is because the cash basis approach dictates that transactions are only recorded when cash is actually received, regardless of when the order was placed or when the cake was delivered. The key event with this method is the movement of cash. This clip is from our full video, where we break down the difference between the cash basis and the accrual basis of accounting. We explain both methods, show how they work using examples, and help you understand when to use each of these methods. To watch the full video, please follow the link in the description section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy learning from Kano Academy.